In the tumultuous year of 1940, as the world was engulfed in the cataclysmic throes of World War II, a quiet revolution was brewing in a humble laboratory at Oxford University. A young researcher named Howard Florey, together with his brilliant assistant, Ernst Chain, were on the verge of a breakthrough that would redefine medicine forever. Their discovery, a mold named Penicillium notatum, held the key to a potent, life-saving antibiotic. But the problem lay not in the isolation of the compound, but in its production, a task that proved dauntingly insurmountable due to the laborious and slow process of fermentation. The crisis was dire. Soldiers were dying on the battlefield from infections that even the most skilled surgeons could not combat. The need for a swift and effective solution was urgent, yet the obstacles seemed insurmountable. In a move that would forever change the course of history, Florey and Chain sought the help of a visionary industrialist, Sir Alexander Fleming, the original discoverer of penicillin. Fleming, recognizing the immense potential of the antibiotic, rallied the support of the government and industry leaders. Together, they embarked on an ambitious project to mass-produce penicillin on a scale never before attempted. Facing skepticism and ridicule, they forged ahead, undeterred by the seemingly insurmountable challenges. The action was nothing short of a scientific odyssey. Laboratories were transformed into factories, and an army of scientists, technicians, and workers were mobilized. Innovation and ingenuity became the order of the day, as they sought to overcome the obstacles posed by the complex chemical reactions and the delicate nature of the penicillin production process. Years of tireless effort finally bore fruit in 1943. The first successful mass production of penicillin was achieved, marking a pivotal turning point in the war and the history of medicine. The antibiotic's immediate impact was profound, saving countless lives on the battlefield and revolutionizing the treatment of infectious diseases. The consequences of this groundbreaking achievement were far-reaching. Penicillin set the stage for the development of a vast array of antibiotics, ushering in a new era of medical progress. The mass production of penicillin served as a powerful testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and the indomitable human spirit in the face of adversity. As we commemorate the 80th anniversary of this medical triumph, let us remember the visionaries who dared to dream, the scientists who persevered, and the countless lives that were forever changed by the dawn of a new era in medicine, the age of antibiotics.